In this tutorial I'm going to talk a little bit about how sampling works in the Fantom X, also what sampling is as far in music creation, and also touch a little bit on the Skipback Sampling feature of the Fantom X, which is the ability to go back in time and be able to sample something that you've played previously even though you weren't in a sampling mode. This is a very handy feature. Okay, samples are a lot like the ability to play back a short portion of audio for either a musical phrase. It can also be an instrument. Now this would be either recorded from the external inputs, either from a microphone or another instrument like a guitar that you might plug in. You could also record some sample CDs or maybe even another synthesizer or keyboard, and these would be stored in internal RAM and played back either once they are sequenced, or you could assign those to be played back with a key or a keypad. So remember that this is a very flexible feature, and it's really one of the options that's almost a standard in a lot of today's workstations, because sampling plays such a major role with electronic music and also traditional style music as well. So what I've done here is I've set up a patch that has a rhythm kit assigned and also a nice little bass sound here. If I go ahead and just play that, you can preview that. Now anytime the Skipback Sampling light is on, that means that it's now sampling, so it's constantly sampling, and once you press Skipback Sampling, it'll just go back and bring back what you previously played. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the arpeggiator and the rhythm section, so I have these drum beats up here, and I'm just going to go ahead and record a small portion from the interface of the drum pad and the keys, and then use that skip back to capture it. And when I'm done, I can just stop here. And next thing I'm going to do is just press the skip back sampling button, and it asks me if I want to assign this to a keypad, and I'll go ahead and press cancel out of this because I don't want to assign it to a keypad. But I do want to just preview what it recorded, and it simply recorded what I played in real time. If we press the preview button, the F8, we can hear this. Now if we wanted to, we could go in here and we could truncate, we could chop this up, we could assign this to different keys or a keypad and so forth, and then go back and use it in a sequence or a song if we wanted to. We could also assign this to a keypad for live performance if you wanted to, but I just wanted to kind of show you how skipback sampling worked as far as getting the sample into the sampling mode for editing. Later in next videos I'm going to show you some additional features for sampling or getting those samples into the sampler for RAM for further editing.